The jaguarundi is a medium-sized wild cat with a long, slender body, small head, and short legs, giving it an otter-like appearance. It is found in Central and South America and is known for its solitary, diurnal, daytime hunting habits. Its coat is a uniform color, either reddish-brown or gray, and it preys on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Appearance and characteristics. Size: slightly larger than a domestic cat, weighing 8 pounds and measuring 3 to 4.5 feet in length. Body: long, low-lying, and slender, with a flattened head, short rounded ears, and a long tail. Color: uniformly colored in either a reddish-brown or gray phase. Behavior: primarily solitary, but can be seen in pairs. They are more active during the day than many other wild cats. Vocalization: they have a wide variety of vocalizations, with 13 distinct calls documented.